Hey, it's John here, and we are going to do 4Clojure number 73, analyze a tic-tac-toe board. And we have a bunch of tic-tac-toe boards where each position is either empty or an X or an O, and we need to decide whether a winner has been established. So we'll do this by brute force. And so first thing is we are going to define all the combinations that or all the row column combinations that could make a winner. Okay, so we'll make our function decide. It's going to take in a vector of vectors, call it board. Okay, but the first thing I want to do is bind here a variable, and let's let moves be a vector of vectors of vectors. And so, basically the inner vectors are going to be sort of x and y coordinates of a row or a column. So here we'll say first vector position 0, then position 1, then position 2. So this would basically be the first row. Okay, and then we'll do the next row 1 0. Oops. 1 0. 1 1. And 1 2. Then 2 0. 2 1. 2 2. Alright, so that is the rows. So now the columns would be essentially 0 0, and then 1 0 2 0. Hold on a second. Oh, I forgot to end the vector. That's going to get a little bit tedious. It really wants those spaces so it can happen. I don't care. Okay. Alright. In there. Okay. And then, okay, so let's start with the columns here. So then we'll have 1 0. 1 1. 1 2. No, 1 0 1 1, and then 2 1. And then 2 0. 1 2 2 2. Okay, so those are our columns, and then we need to define our diagonals. So that would be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, or we would have 0, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 0. Alright, and that defines the moves. And then we can call our whole function with some test board, which we'll put down here somewhere. And let's just pick one here. That will be our board. Test that out. Okay, so we have all our moves. And let's just look at, if we take the first move, then we get 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So what we want to do is we want to map a function that gets all the values from those coordinates. So we're going to map the function that takes in a vector, and then it says get in the board the vector v. Let's see what we get here. Okay, and bring that in. Try again. Okay, so now it says xe0, and that is exactly what our first row is. Okay, so that's working. So now we need to map that whole thing across all the moves. Or actually, once we have that, we want to do frequencies on it. Right, and then that tells us we only care about stuff that's got 3. Okay, so now what we want to do is make this thing some kind of function. We can make it anonymous function, and then we want to make this thing turn into our argument. And then what we want to do is map this function across there. So we're gonna map that across our moves. Let's try that out. Okay, so there we go. So now for all our moves, we have it reduced down into the frequencies. Okay, we only care when there's 3. So now we can start manipulating all this. Let's go ahead and thread this thing. Control. Oh. Cannot thread. Whatever. Swallow it. There we go. Okay. Slurp it, I should say. Slurp it. Okay. So we have that thing. So now we can say filter on equals count. So the count should equal 3. So we can filter that out. Let's see, what do we miss? There we go. Try again. Filter. Count equals 1. Sorry. Count equals 1. There we go. So now we got that. And it says that X is 3. Alright, so that would be our winner. But we might have multiple. Yeah, we could have multiple, right? If our case has this E. Let's take out the filter. I think we're missing something here. Because we should have one that's got 3 E's. So I think we must have messed it up, because that would be 0, 1, 1, 1. Sorry, yeah, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 would be that. So 0. Alright, here's where it's messed up. There's probably some better way to do a for loop here. Alright, let's see. X, there we go. There we go. Alright. Getting tired here. X is 3. E is 3. Very good. Okay, so now we just need to say reduce this thing. We can merge these things into one. Apply, merge, get those into one thing, and then reduce old key value. Okay, and what we say is if the value is equal to condition, we have or the value is equal to X, or the value is equal to Y, if that's the case, then return the value. Otherwise, we want no. Old. Reduce, yes. Reduce wants to have a function. Okay. And we need to put the stuff in the right place. We're going to start with nil. X or Y, X or O. What happened here? E3 and X3. Reduce function old key value. The key, yes, the key, not the value, the key. X, alright, I got it. That was painful. Shouldn't do these so late, but there it is. Let's see. Let's see, function. There we go. Get the whole thing in there. Green, 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 green. Alright, I'm the smartest man alive. It's amazing. Solve tic-tac-toe. So thank you for watching.